Today we do find the tangent line to pass a point. (1.1) and the curve and the curve y equal x squared. So here (1.1). So we can write another point. For example, this is the P and this is Q, and this point we can write the x point y. So here is x, here is y. So tangent line, we first find the formula, the tangent. So y2 minus y1. Here is y2. Okay, here y2 is here, is y. This y is x squared. And this is 1. x2 minus x1. x2 is here, x. x1 is 1. So here so this is tangent. So when x is here, 1.1, x is 1. So m tangent equal 2. So now we know y1 is 1 is here, equal 2x minus 1. So now y equal 2x minus 2 plus 1 equal 2x minus 1. This is the factor we need. The function is xx equal x squared. what will happen when x approach 2? So we can write table x fx. So when x equal 2, so fx is equal 4. So when x equal 1.9, fx is 3.996 when x equal 2.1. fx equal 4.41. So it means when x approach 2, we get fx equal 4. How about this? We don't know. We write table. We can use the table. We find when x approach from left side, we get fx is 0.503. We approach 1 from right side is 0.449. So it means when x approach 1, the answer we get 0.5.